Your PowerXL Vortex dual basket air fryer is versatile and easy to operate. Let's get familiar with operating when using it as a single basket air fryer. Turn your appliance on. Select the Basket 1 button. Your PowerXL Vortex dual basket air fryer has 8 presets. Just use the menu button to scroll the presets including French fry, fish, hard-boiled eggs, chicken, baking, steak, dehydrating, and vegetables. Select your preferred preset and press the Start button. Press the Start button again at any time if you want to pause the timer and cooking cycle. Note, if you don't want to use a preset, you can manually control the time and temperature. Some foods, like French fries, may need a shake midway through cooking. Press the Shake button after you've chosen your function. This will start a halfway timer which alerts you to shake foods midway through. Shake when the shake icon blinks and the air fryer beeps 5 times. The appliance will beep when the timer has run down and the cooking cycle is done. Your food is ready to eat. For even more information, consult your owner's manual and be sure to check out our video on how to use your appliance in dual basket mode. Thank you for choosing the PowerXL Vortex Dual Basket Air Fryer.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.